All right, guys, so I have this 2024 2500 AT4X diesel truck. Spent a couple $1,000 and I'm gonna tell you what we did to it. Spend a couple grand and you can have this truck looking amazing on a truck that, you know, I have up right now for $89,000. And to be honest with you, if you're spending that much money on a truck, you should do it. You should spend the money to make it look exactly the way you want, right? So customize it. But here's what we did. So, well, simple thing here, right? We just ordered these blacked out marker lights for your like your fender lights, right? They come like they're an amber orange fender light normally, right? That's what comes stock on these trucks. We just got it all blacked out. The other thing we did is a 35-inch tire and a 20-inch hostile wheel, okay? And the biggest thing with this is this has, you know, if you're gonna go aftermarket wheel, you probably want the offset. And if you look down at this truck, it has a stance now, right? It sets it off. You know, it does spray dirt all over the side of your truck, or if it's snowing, you have that crap that sprays all over it, but it looks freaking sweet, right? So heck, you either do it with the offset to get the stance, you can keep you can order them with a offset that's not going to kick out as much, and then you're not going to spray stuff all over the side of your truck. You still get that beefy look though, right? So wheels, tires, fender lights, and the beautiful thing about this truck, it is all stock other than those wheels and tires, right? That's the stock suspension. It's the AT4X. You have the factory 2.5-inch lift with the Multimatic DSSV shock. It is the best riding 2500, in my opinion, honestly. There's not a 2500 that rides nicer because it has that suspension and that shock, right? $400 tonneau cover, soft trifold tonneau cover. Honestly, I don't know why you wouldn't get this, because you don't have snow or rain that gets into your bed. You can actually store stuff in there. You don't have to spend the money on the hard trifold or there's some crazy high-end tonneau covers. To be completely honest though, if it's out of sight, it's out of mind, right? People can't see what's in your bed. They have no reason to break into it, right? I mean, unless they know what's in it. But guys, that is what we did to this truck. And walking around, I guess, yeah, the only other thing that I like is my 50 caliber antenna, right? Again, whatever, you do you, but that's the simple, like honestly, probably all in, you'd probably spend $4 grand, right? Marker lights, wheel, tire, $4,000 on a 2500 diesel that you're spending 85 grand on, right? So this truck I have up for, I think, 89.5. It's a 24 with 4,900 miles on it. It's like a brand new truck, right? So that's it, guys. 2500 AT4X. I'll show you the interior real quick. Really, the interior of this truck, we didn't do anything to this, but AT4X standard interior. You have your full grain leather seats, you have massage seats, you have a suede headliner, heated cool seats, heated steering wheel, you know, all the bells and whistles. The other big thing, okay, that we had that I just threw on this truck, right, and I can add it to any truck I'm driving, right, but it is the Banks pedal monster, which is freaking amazing. Right, I just put it on this truck and it just plugs into your OBD port down here, and I literally have it on my phone. When I get into the truck, if I want to adjust my power settings, I can adjust it. So it's connecting right now, right? Now it's connected. Like, you have your different modes. I have it on the 3rd power, right? When I go, you can see it shows. But this, what it gets rid of is your dead pedal. So like these 2500s, you do have a lag. When you go to pull out somewhere, you have a lag. It gets rid of that, so you have power instantly. You know, you still have to wait for your turbos to spool up. You still have that, some of the turbo lag, but it is an insane difference. Like, driving with this on it, right? It does not mess with any of your warranties, because as soon as you take it in for warranty work, you unplug it. There's nothing that stays in the system, nothing shows. It's a no-brainer, right? Like, again, I sell a ton of these trucks, so I'm always looking for the little tweaks, little things you could do to make them better, to customize them, to make them yours, right? If I'm buying this truck, I'm hands down buying one of these for, I want to say they're probably $400. It's not something that's going to permanently modify the truck or change it. It literally just plugs into your OBD. I could unplug it, take it all out. You never know what was in it, right? But no brainer. So yeah, I said wheels, tires, the marker lights, you know, the bullet antenna, right? You know, the other, and the Banks thing. So honestly, there you're up to what, 4,500 bucks probably of total ads. And this thing, you know, it's used. I bought it with the windows tinted already. The windows were tinted. It has a clear bra on the front end, but tinting your front windows, right? Which we can look at that real quick. When you look at the truck, the front windows are tinted to match the back, right? That's honestly, and you can get a UV tint, which is a better tint, you know, for helping actually reduce the heat in your truck in the summer, right? It's not gonna get quite as hot with that UV tint. But I think that makes a world of difference. Some tint on the front window. And the other big thing is this thing had a clear bra wrap on the front end, right? Which just, it's like, this is on the bumper and everything, right? So the steel bumper, it protects you from rocks chipping up your bumper, and you have to get the bumper repainted. But that's honestly another thing I would do, which honestly the clear bra is probably, I don't know, how, depending on how much you get done, you can get the whole hood wrapped, but you're probably $1,000 to $2,000 to get that wrap done. And window tint's probably $250 bucks a window, depending on the level of tint you go with, right? Hands down, the stuff I would do if I'm buying one of these trucks. That's just, you know, here at Mark Martin Motors, we're always customizing guys' trucks. We're always setting them up. So for me, I'm saying, hey, what's the ideal, right? What's the best things you can do for the least amount of money to make this truck, to set it off, right? And that's it, guys. That's the truck. I think it's a world of difference. You guys tell me what you think. You guys tell me what you like to do to yours, all right? Be sure to hit subscribe for more content, markmartinmotors.com. Check out our inventory online. Appreciate all of you.